This plant is way too big for this pot. We're gonna have to do something about this quick. I know it's 10 o'clock at night. I've worked all day. I started at 6 o'clock. I worked till 5. I got home, but you know what? The plants, they need help. We're their parents. They can't survive without us. This has to be done now. Let's do it. Over the last couple nights, I have been repotting a couple of the plants. So that Tasmanian chocolate actually wasn't even the biggest one. It's actually these guys over here. Oh, jeez. We have the Stupus right here. I think that was Candyland and Superbush. Yeah. And that one's definitely gonna be a super bush if I ever saw one. This one here is gonna be a lot more viney. You can tell by the looks of it. It's probably gonna get tall. We might need to get a trellis net in here. I'm really happy with the results here. So let's grab another one of these Tasmanian chocolates. Oh. We'll set that right there for now. Those Tasmanian chocolates are gonna go in these 5-gallon pots. They come in a compressed thing. I'll show you those in a second. I think the other ones I'm going to repot tonight are Little Bites. These, however, are a lot smaller. So instead of doing the 5-gallon pot, I think we're gonna put them in a 2-gallon that we have available here. Let's look at those. The 2-gallon starts like this, compressed little brick, 2-gallon. 5-gallon, whoa, much bigger, still compressed, very easy to work with. I really like handling these things. They ship easily, so they're cheap, just so convenient. Why would you want anything else? I don't know. All right, everything is repotted at this point. We even went a step further and did the totem hybrid plants, which are back there. Everything's looking very healthy. They're going to fill up these pots the whole way. And the goal was only to plant, in the end, 2 of each variety, right? So I started with 5 seeds and culled it down to basically 2. That means those guys back there are gonna get tossed. It's becoming wintertime soon, and it's getting cold outside, so really there's nothing I can do with those besides give them to somebody with an indoor garden. Maybe I'll do that. Well, it's late. I gotta wake up at 5, so that's less than 6 hours from now. But happy, we got the plants done, so they'll be happy. You know, in the end, gardening doesn't just grow plants, it really grows you. You know, it teaches responsibility. It teaches you that the world does not revolve around you. It could revolve around your plants or your pets or your kids or your job or whatever it may be, but it certainly doesn't revolve around you. This is why every parent should have a garden for their kids. It teaches responsibility, it teaches humility, it teaches you that not everything comes right away. That sometimes waiting and patience and hard work pays off in the end. It shows that sometimes it takes sacrificing the now for a better tomorrow. And that's what gardening really teaches us. But yeah, seriously, I gotta get to bed. See ya.